What's good, guys? What's good, YouTube? Hey, we're back with another video. It's my birthday, April 11th. Let's tee up. This would be a good day. I'm at the gun range right now. I just left church. I'm gonna show you that I feel when I get out the car. I'm at the gun range right now. With my family. You see it. With the fam right now. Gonna turn up and shoot some. I'm gonna show y'all. Something, and I'm gonna bring y'all through the day. Birthday vlog. Let's get it. Y'all gonna see. Hey, lit. Yeah.
Just a target. Give me a target. Good job. Good job, bro.
Goodness. Put any brass to it? Boom. Had to switch the scenery up real quick. At the Cheesecake Factory. You know, I had to eat good on my birthday, man. You know, I've been craving this for a minute, so this gonna be real good. Got the family inside waiting on me. Just left the gun range. I'm gonna show you when we get inside. If you go crazy, let's get it. Hey. Alright, y'all. We left the Cheesecake Factory. We're gonna go to North Park right now. I'm gonna catch y'all there. Get some drip. Let's get it. Hey. Alright, y'all. I'm in Nordstrom's, and they got a lot of stuff, but they ain't got no good stuff. Like, bro, like, what's this? Come on now. All this shit, they ain't got nothing good. It's crazy. Hella expensive shit. It's kinda clean. I'll rock this, no cap. How y'all feeling about this? On the game. It's pretty smooth. It's alright. And all that. Shoot, we gonna reduce. Shoot. Back find me something here. Anyway. We're gonna see them, let y'all know. Hey. Man, y'all, I seen these cars across the street and I had to pull up next to it. Oh my goodness gracious. Stupid crazy. Stupid clean. Shit, stupid. Pressure.
We go find out what's going on.
Pressure. Just pressure. It's pressure, bro. Like, how could you not? Like, Alright, y'all. We back. But we at the game. At the Mavericks game, birthday vibes.
Come on, Luca.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it. 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 I'm gonna catch y'all after. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? Had to make a quick pit stop, get some popcorn. You see it? No good.
The final score is the San Antonio.
Man, oh man. It was a good game, but they lost by 2 points. Man, I was sick. That was a good shot though, I ain't gonna capture it, man. I'm gonna catch y'all when we back in the car. Shoot. We lit. Birthday.